Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive.
Yeah.
You know how it is working in Excel sometimes and you think there's got to be a faster way to do this?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Right. Well, that's exactly what we're doing today. We're going deep on one super useful Excel shortcut.
That's right.
That, honestly, I wish I had known like years ago. It's one of those things that like as soon as you see it, you're like, oh,
You can't believe you didn't know it before.
exactly. Like, how did I not know this? So we've got this little snippet of text that explains this like magic trick. And yeah, let's just jump into it.
Let's do it.
All right, so the shortcut itself, are you ready?
I'm ready. Hit me.
Okay, it is Control plus Shift plus Bing.
Whoa, whoa.
Right.
That's it.
That's it.
Wow.
So simple, but so powerful. And what this does is it instantly inserts the current time into whatever cell you have selected.
Saves so much time.
Oh my gosh, yes. Just imagine like you're managing a project, you're in your spreadsheet, you're tracking tasks, you finish something, bam, Control plus Shift plus. Time is in there. Logged. No more typing in the numbers, you know.
Yeah.
It's just right there.
And think about it like from a bigger picture too, right? It's like you're creating a data trail that you can actually go back and analyze.
You know, I am so about like being organized, but sometimes I get lost in the weeds, and this
Yeah.
is like it kind of forces you to be more organized. And I love that about it.
Absolutely.
Um, but there was this one detail in here that said that the time is static.
Yes.
What does that actually mean, like when you use it?
Okay, so static time means that the time stays as it was when you actually hit that shortcut. So it's like a snapshot of that exact moment.
So it's like perfect for, like you said, logging things and knowing like, oh, this happened at this time. But if I needed like a cell that constantly updated with the current time,
Yeah.
this wouldn't be the one for that.
Exactly. Excel has other functions for that kind of live updating time, but this is about, really that pinpoint accuracy
Gotcha.
of when something occurred.
It's funny because sometimes like just knowing that a shortcut exists changes my behavior.
Absolutely.
Even if I don't use it every time.
Yeah.
Like now I'll be more aware of how I'm working with time in a spreadsheet just because we did this deep dive.
Right. It's like it unlocks a new way of thinking about things.
Exactly. So folks, if you take away nothing else from this deep dive, just remember Credo plus Shift plus More, it could change your Excel life.
And who knows what other hidden gems
Oh, yeah.
are lurking in there,
Right. All the software we use, like there's probably so many things.
waiting to be discovered.
Yeah. Until next time, keep diving deep into whatever you're working on. And who knows, maybe you'll find some cool shortcuts and you can share them with us in the future.
Exactly. Keep exploring.
All right. See ya.
Bye.